Okay, good afternoon, class. So already you have, I think, some 4-5 hour class, 9:30 to 1:30, I hope. So the best part is the syllabus will be over in next 1 and 2 days, so that you will have enough time to practice for the maths as well as for the reasoning and the other portion also. Right now what you have to do is, see, at least now you have an idea about CSAT, whole CSAT, and you can start practicing, you can start solving the problem, and whatever like a doubt you will have, we can take it up. But the thing is that you have to start start revising the thing and start giving the mock paper, so that picture will be clear to you, like where you stand, how much like a more effort you need. Not this PPT. Just wait. हाँ ठीक है. Okay. So the thing is that, like, you have to start preparing, you have to start giving the mock paper. Now mock paper is going to play a very important role for your examination, because I always tell to the student, like, start giving the mock paper with the same seriousness like you are giving UPSC CSAT paper. And when you are giving a CSAT paper, be chill like you are giving a mock paper. So this should be your attitude, like every mock paper go with the same seriousness. Like you have a 2-hour, try strategy A, try strategy B, C, D, and then practice whatever suit you. Like suppose you fail in the strategy A, but you pass in the strategy B, then start practicing strategy B 2 times, 3 times, 5 times. Like a strategy A and B can be anything, like you are starting from math. Suppose strategy A is you start with the math, go for reasoning, then go for comprehension part, or you start with a simple problem, then tough, then again simple. So this kind of a strategy you have to practice, then go in the examination with the strategy which was working for you in the mock paper. So this is very important thing for you guys, because directly going in the examination in CSAT paper is like a blunder. Okay, you have to give at least minimum 10 to 12 mock, minimum I'm saying, minimum 10 mocks before the examination. Okay, now we are going to start. Last class we were doing the unit digit concept. So in that I have told you 2 cases. Suppose we have to find out what will be there at unit place of this number. So I told you we are only concerned about the unit place, we are not concerned about any other place. Okay? So what I have asked you, what we can do, suppose whatever is the power, so last 2 digit of power, just divide that number by 4 in every case. I told you the logic also. Why divide by 4? Because cyclicity is either 1, 2 or 4. So always divide by the largest number, you get the same thing, you are not going to get the different thing. So last 2 digit of power, divide by 4. Now whatever remainder you are getting, now 2 case will be there. Either remainder is not equal to 0 or remainder is equal to 0. If remainder is not equal to 0, then your answer will be a to power p has same unit digit which a to power r has. This will be the answer. Same unit digit. If remainder is 0, that means 0 means the cycle stop there, the cycle end there, I told you. So in such case always a to power p will be a to power 4. Always in such case. So only these two cases are there. Then apart from this, I ask you, you should know 5 to power anything will be always be 5 at unit place. 6 to power anything will be 6 at the unit place. And I told you we are only concerned about the unit place number. We are not concerned about the any other number. Suppose for example, the question is given like this, 435745 to power 435. Find what will be there at unit place. So we are not concerned about these number. We are only concerned about this last 5, and 5 to power anything answer will be 5. You can simply answer this thing. So always understand the number at unit place will be decided by which number? By this number only. We are not concerned about any other number. And while solving also, suppose the question is given like this, 2 to power 10, 5 to power 75, 4 to power 35, 8 to power 40, find what will be there at unit place. So as soon as we saw this question, we know that there is at least one pair of 2 and 5, that means there will be 0 at unit place. And we are not concerned about 10th place or 100th place or 1000th place. We are not concerned about that. We are only concerned about what will be there at unit place of this number. Are you getting my point not? Some question we have done, some more question we will do, and then we will go for the like a divisibility rule and all. Then we will go for the divisibility rule and all. I hope this is making sense. I hope this is making sense. So this thing, two-step process you should know. What is the process? Whatever is there in the power, just take the last 2 digits of that power, divide by 4. You will get some remainder. Now 2 cases are there, and I told you why we are taking all this thing. Why we are taking all this thing, all step I have already explained in the previous class. So here I can say the remainder is there. Now 2 possibilities are there, either remainder will be 0 or remainder will not be 0. If not be 0, just make a to power r. And always remember what a student will do, since I have solved for 2 to power something, so whatever base will be there, suppose if base is 3 to power 145, so you will be make whatever remainder after dividing by 4 is coming, the base will remain same. The base will remain same. If 3 is there in the base, we will make this 3. If 4 is there, we will make 4. If 10 is there, not 10 because 10 means 0, 0 to power anything will be 0. Suppose if 9 is there, I will make in the base 9, 9 to power something. So always remember the base more or less will become same. Okay? I hope this is making sense. I hope this is making sense. Okay, let's solve some of the problem. Okay. Base same other than when power is 0. Prashant, I am not getting your question. I am not getting your question. 10 to power, देखो, 10 to power 10 means what? 0. In the last 0 is there. 10 to power anything, always you will get 0 itself. 0 to power anything, you will get 0 itself. Okay, let's solve some of the problem. Suppose the question is given like this. 1 to power 343. 2 to power 343, 3 to power 343, dot 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 so on 9 to power 343. Find unit digit Okay, this is one question. Second question, find last 5 digit. Question given are 10 factorial to power 4 plus 4 factorial square plus 100 factorial square plus 1000 factorial plus 3 factorial square. We have to find out the last 5 digit of this number. Just try both the question. Just try both the question. Just give a try, give the answer of first one, then second one. Okay, let's try the first question first. The first question is 1 to power 343, 2 to power 343, 3 to power 443, dot 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 so on, 9 to power 343. This is what we have given. Okay? So in that case, first we have to find out, in all the case power will be same. So what we will do, our first job is to find out if we divide 343 by 4, what will be the remainder? So I told you, instead of 343, you can only take the last 2 digit. You can only take the last 2 digit. If I divide 43 by 4, what will happen? I will get 3 as a remainder. That means, yes, no, first question is find the unit digit. Second question is find the last 5 digit. Okay, so 1 to power 343, so 1 to power anything will be 1. 2 to power 343 means what? If I change according to previous concept, the remainder is 3, that will be at unit place, it will be 2 to power 3 plus 3 to power 343 means 3 to power 3, 4 to power 3, 5 to power anything will be 5, 6 to power anything will be 6, 7 to power 3, 8 to power 3 plus 9 to power 3. This will be the case. Now we can solve. 1 plus 2 to power 3 will be 8. Only concern about the unit digit. 3 to power 3 will be 7. It will be 27, but we are only concerned about the unit digit. 4 to power 3 will be 4 itself, because 4 to power 3 will be 64, and we will only concern about the unit digit. Plus 5, plus 6, 7 to power 3 will be 7 7 49, 9 3 27, 3. ठीक है, 8 to power 3. So 8, 8 the 64. And then again 8. 4 into 8, 2. Plus 9 to power 3 will be 9 itself. Now you can add all the number. Okay, if you look closely, it is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You are adding 9 continuous number. This will be simply become 45. This will simply become 45. The sum of n continuous number will always be equal to n plus 1 by 2. The sum of n continuous number is starting from 1. The sum of n continuous number is starting from 1 will always be equal to n plus 1 by 2. So either you can put the value 9 into 10 by 2. So this will become 45, or you can directly add. You should know this part also. The sum of n continuous number is starting from 1 is always be equal to n plus 1 by 2. So answer will be 5, the first answer. Let me know if you have a doubt in first question. Let me know if you have a doubt in the first question. Then we will come to the second part. Then we will come to the second part. Please let me know if you have a doubt in the first part. Any doubt here? Okay. Now I'm coming to the second question. I'm coming to the second question. How we can solve the second question? The last 5 digit. Again, this is not a simple direct question, but we can use the common sense. If you remember the class which we have taken like a number of zeros. So we have seen in 50 factorial there was 12 zero. Or simply you can find out how many zeros will be there here. So definitely in 100 factorial, the number of zeros will be more than 5 or not? In 100 factorial, the number of zeros will be more than 5. So we are only concerned about the last 5 digit. So definitely this will be, last 5 digit will be 0. In 100 factorial also, if you remember, in 100 factorial, what happened? There are 24 zero. If you remember that class, even if you won't remember, you can solve this thing. In 100 factorial, there is a 24 zero. So that means last 5 digit will be definitely be 0. We have covered this also. Now come to 10 factorial. So if you find out 10 factorial, there are 2 0. In 10 factorial, there are 2 0 and some other number are also there. And some other number are also there. And if 2 0 are there, power 4 is there. Power 4 means what? We will multiply this number 4 times. So when we multiply, 0 will be added. So that means if 2 0 will be there and we are multiplying 4 times, that become what? That become total 8 0 or not? That means definitely the last 5 digit will be 0 itself. Definitely the last 5 digit will be 0 itself. We have care of these 3 part. Now only these 2 part are left. 3 factorial. 3 factorial will be what? 3 factorial will be simply 3 into 2 into 1, 6. 6 square. So 6 square will be 36. We will write it here. We will write it here. And what is 4 factorial? 4 factorial is 24. And we will multiply 24 into 24. 24 into 24. So 240 plus 240, 480, and 24, 48, 96. So 480 plus 96, 576. The square will be 576. Now we will add this value, 12, 1, 6, 0, 0. The answer will be 00612. Yes, many of you have given the correct answer. The correct answer will be 00612. And this is the way, because what happened? Sometimes they will ask this question, last 5 digit, and you start saying, okay, sir ne to padhaya hi nahi ye cheez. Sir never told us this concept. But actually this is nothing different. This is more or less same thing. This is more or less same thing. This is nothing different thing. Are you getting my point or not? This is nothing different. This is more or less same thing. Are you getting my point or not? So instead of 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, they can simply ask the 5 digit also. They can simply ask the 5 digit also. So you have to be very careful what they are asking, and accordingly you can solve the question. Accordingly you can solve the question. Any doubt here? Let me know. Any doubt here? Any doubt here? Okay. Fine. Now let's move further. Now I am coming to the divisibility rule. I am coming to the divisibility rule. I am coming to the divisibility rule. So divisibility rule, first we will start with the numbers. Divisibility rule of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You might know this thing, but still we are taking. So first we will take the pair of 2. Divisibility of 2 is if last digit is divisible by 2, then the whole number will be divisible by 2. Suppose any number you will take, 4, 3, 7, 5. Suppose I have to find out whether this number is divisible by 2 or not. What I will see? I will see only last digit. If last digit is divisible by 2, the whole number is divisible. Since last digit is 5, the number is not divisible. But suppose this become like this. 4, 3, 7, 5, 8. Now I can say that the whole number is divisible by 2. Second, one more case, last 2 digit is divisible by 2 or last digit is 0. 2 cases are there. Either last 2 digit is divisible by 2 or last digit is 0. In both cases, the number will be divisible by 2. Second, divisibility of 4. If last 2 digit is divisible by 4, the whole number will be divisible by 4. Or last 2 digit is 0. Either last 2 digit become 0, suppose number become like this, I will say the whole number is divisible by 4. Or if suppose the whole number is like this, so I will, instead of checking all this thing, I will only check last 2 digit. If last 2 digit is divisible by 4, the whole number will be divisible. Then 8, last 3 digit. If last 3 digit is divisible by 8, or last 3 digit 0, last 3 digit 0, then whole number will be divisible by 8. Then whole number will be divisible by 8. Then 16, now last 4 digit. Last 4 digit. 16, last 4 digit. 16, last 4 digit or 40. Similarly, you can see, you can find out for 32, last 5 digit, 64, last 6 digit. This will go on like this. So divisibility rule of 2, 4, 8, 16, this is going on like this. This is going on this way. Is this making sense? Okay. So this is the divisibility rule of 2, 4, 8 and 16. Similarly, I told you for 32, it become 5 digit. Last 5 digit. Okay, suppose a question is given like this. Suppose a question is given like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Suppose the digit are, this is number. This is a number. Suppose if I take 1, 2, 3, 4, this is what? 1234. Similarly, this is also a number. This is also a number. So this is given and we are dividing this number by, suppose 16. The question is, find the remainder. Find the remainder. Just try this question. Find the remainder. This we are dividing this number by 16. We are dividing this number by 16. The question is, find the remainder. Just try this question. 0. Okay. Okay. What is the divisibility rule? The divisibility rule say, if last 4 digit is divisible by 16, then the number is divisible by 16. So if this is the number, what will be the last 4 digit? This will be like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 15, 16. The last 4 digits of this number will be 15, 16. Now what we will do? We will divide 15, 16 by 16. What will happen? This will go 9 times. This will go 9 times. So this become 144. What is the, okay, 11. This will become 7. Now 6. Now 6. Then 4 times. The 12 will be the remainder. The 12 will be the remainder. Don't know how you guys are getting 0. Answer will be 12. Answer will be 12. The remainder will be 12. The remainder will be 12. Okay, I know this is a very good afternoon and like you guys might feel sleeping, and because of that you guys are giving the answer as 0. Come back, take a green tea and start concentrating here, because the answer is what? The answer is not 0, answer is 12. Okay? You can take a green tea, you can take a normal tea also, don't take coffee. Take green tea or normal tea and come back to the class, start concentrating here, and you will find very interesting topic, this number system. And the best part is like yes, I know you are attending the class. I am taking the class since morning also. You are attending the class after 9 o'clock. I started taking the class at 8 o'clock, since 8 o'clock. Continuous class. Until I think 7:30 I have a continuous class. Okay. And you might be sitting and you might be like noting the class and all. I have to teach, and my policy is generally I won't sit in the class. You never find me sitting on the bench or sitting on the anywhere until unless something very like a different situation is there. Otherwise generally I won't sit in the class. Okay? So you can think of morning 8 to evening 7:30, almost 11 hour, almost gap of half an hour gap. I have a class, continuous class. I will be free 5 o'clock, then 5:30 again, 5:30, 7:30 again I have a class. So total I think 1 or 2 hour break and 10 to 12 hour class. So same condition you and I have, but I have to maintain my energy. Same thing you have to do also. You don't have choice. You don't have choice like I don't have choice. Okay, na? Yes, so please be here and start understanding the concept. See, don't think like this. What a student got confused here. They think like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is this? This is a number. I gave you the example also. Suppose I write number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is this? This is 12,345. This is a number. 1, 2, 3. Like if I write 1, 2, 3. This is a number. Don't take 1, 2, 3. This is a 123. Similarly, this will also be a number. Some crores or might be some thousand of crores will be there. And now we are dividing that number by 16 and they are asking what will be the remainder. So in that case we have to find out the remainder. So remainder, how we can find out? I told you, don't divide all the number, only divide the last 4 digits. Suppose the question will be like this. We have to find out the remainder. Now try this. Tell me the remainder. Tell me the remainder. Now we are dividing by 8. We are dividing by 8. We are dividing by 8. Find the remainder. We are dividing by 8. Find the remainder. Okay. First you have to think about last 3 digit. So this number will be like 51516. So last 3 digit will be 516. We will divide by 8. Remainder will be 4. And I hope you guys are giving the correct answer. Yes, great. You guys are giving the correct answer. Okay. Now I am making it bit difficult. I am making it bit difficult. Now instead of 16 number, they are giving like this, 34 digit, or make it 35 digit. 35 digit. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 35 digit will be there. Understand, like a hint for you, after 9, every number has 2 digit. After 9, every number has 2 digit. Understand this thing. After 9, every number has 2 digit. Think about that. Try to find out the answer. Think about this. 35 digit. I am not saying the number is still 35. Because after 9, every number has 2 digit. Just think about that once, then I will take it up. I just want to see whether you guys are able to understand this problem or not. Don't worry. Try to give the answer. Right, wrong, never issue. You will give, I will try to give you the correct one. Okay, I am getting 1, 2. I am getting one answer as 2. Fine, we will check that. 2. I hope you guys have not done 34, 35 and then you have taken 435 and dividing by 8. I hope you guys are not doing that thing. I hope you guys are not doing same thing. Okay. Now understand, it is 35 digit. So first we have to find out what will be the last number. What will be the last number? So think that till 1 to 9, 9 digit will be there. And after 9, every number has 2 digit. After 9, every number has 2 digit. Are you getting my point not? Whether you will take 10, 11, 12, every number has 2 digit. So now we will see that if I subtract 35 minus 9, I will get how much? I will get 26. That means after 9, 26 more digit will be there. And by 26 digit, how many number we can make? We can make 13 number. I hope nobody has doubt here. I hope nobody have doubt here. What we have done? 1 to 9, total 9 digit. Then 35 minus 9. Why 35 minus 9? Total 35 digit. 9 digit we have used till making 1 to 9. Now 26 more digit will be there. And this 26 digit, by taking 2 digit, one number can be framed. So by taking 26 digit, 13 more number will be framed. So 13 plus 9, total become 22. That means this can be reduced as 1, 2, 3, dot, 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 so on, 21, 22, divided by 8. This is the question. And now since we are dividing by 8, we will only think about last 3 digit, that means 121 divided by 8, 120 divisible होगा, okay, 2122, sorry, 2122, 122. So 122, like if I divide by 8, I will get 2 as remainder, sorry, 2 as remainder. I hope this is clear to everybody. This is clear to everybody. Fine. So simple one, but we have to only think about what is given. Whether they have given digit or they have given the number. Okay? So if they have given the digit, we have to change this question into this format. And then accordingly we can solve the question. Accordingly we can solve the question. Okay, one more question on this. "76 digit. Now try and give the answer. After 30, okay, I will repeat here, beta. Prashant, I will repeat here. I just rough that part. I will repeat here. You will understand. Just think about that once. Okay, I'm just telling you like this. Since by taking 2 digit, one number can be made, because suppose I have to make 14. So in 14, 2 digit is there, 1 and 4. So similarly, after 9, every number has 2 digit. So we have done, like out of 35, we have subtracted minus 9. So it will become 26. That means 26 digit, not number. And by taking 2 digit, one number can be made. So by taking 36 digit, 13 number can be made. So we have done that. I will explain it again. Don't worry. Just try this question once. Just try this question once. Yes, deliberately I have given this question. Think and then try to find out the answer. This is previous concept plus common sense. This question is what? Previous concept plus common sense. I don't know the answer, I need to solve it. Okay, let's do it. Same logic. Till 1 to 9, 9 digit will be there. Now, there are two things, understand. One is number, one is digit. Like 15. 15 is a number, but 15 has 2 digit, 1 and 5. So after 9, every number will have what? Every number will have 2 digit. Okay, so now if I subtract 9 out of 76, why? Because total 76 digits are there. Suppose, for example, if I write like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have written till 15 number, but if I count, total digit will be 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6, Okay, 9 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12. 9 plus 12. So 12 plus 9, 21. So total 21 digit will be there. 21 digit will be there. But 21 digit only till 15 I will able to reach. Why? Because till 1 to 9 only one digit. After 9 every number has 2 digit. Are you getting my point not? Similarly same thing here I am doing. Total 76 digit are there. I am taking 9 digit out. Why 9 digit out? Because 9 till 1 to 9 only one number has one digit. So here if I subtract 76 minus 9, this will become 67. This will become 67. Now I have 67 more digit. Now the problem is, if I divide by 2, what will happen? This will give in decimal. What is our aim? Our aim is not to find out the remainder and all. Our aim is what? Our aim is to find out which number will be there in the last. So what we will do? We will make it 66. And just remember, we have excluded one number. We will come to that part later. So if I divide 66 by 2, I will get 33. 33. Understand? If instead of 76, 75 will be there, what will be the answer? 33 number of 2 digit, 9 number of 1 digit, total it will become 42. That means 1 to 42 will be there in the number. So we have to find out the last 3 digits. See, this will be like this: 1, 2, 3, dot, 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 so on, 41, 42, but we have to consider this number also, which we excluded. So only one number. So after 42, what will come? 43 will come, but we have to take only one number, that will be 4. That will be 4. Okay? So what will be the last 3 digit? Last 3 digit will be 424. And I think Suraj has given and Sukhvinder has given the correct answer. Chaitanya also has given the correct answer. The answer will be 0. Because when we divide 424 by 8, the remainder will be 0. What we have done, same process. We have, see, what we have done, instead of 76, we have find out for 75, and then I have included one more digit. I have included one more digit from this. Is this making sense or not? Is this making sense or not? Yes, Janvi has also given the correct answer. Tell me if you have any doubt. Okay, fine. So this is clear. Now in number system, okay, let me complete first that part. So we have done till the 2, 4, 8, 16. Now divisibility rule of 3, important one. Divisibility rule of 3 will say, how is 4 put after 42? Okay, we have excluded one number. If you remember, instead of 76, we have taken 75 digit. Why 75 digit? To make process easy. So we have to consider one more digit in the last. So after 42, next digit will be 43. But we don't have to take 2 digits. We have to take only 1 digit. That means after 42, 43. So in 43, I will take only 4. I will exclude 3. So the last 3 digits become 424. Okay. Now divisibility rule of 3 is, if sum of digit is divisible by 3, if sum of digit is divisible by 3, number will be divisible by 3. If sum of number is divisible by 3, the number will also divisible by 3. If sum of number is divisible by 3, the number will also be divisible by 3. Okay, this is the, suppose any number is given 435. We have to find out whether this number is divisible or not. What we will do? We will simply add 4 plus 3 plus 5, 12. So we know that 12 is divisible by 3. So 435 is also divisible by 3. Okay? This is the simple rule of divisibility of 3. But this will help us many times in cancelling the option. Many times direct question will be there. There was one question in CSAT 2019. Please, question number 24. You will see the question number 24 on the screen. It's done? Okay. Question number 24. An 8-digit number 425746B. 527 है 4252746B. Now this number leave remainder 0 when divisible by 3. That means this number is completely divisible by 3. How many value of B are possible? Think about this. Try to solve this question. Try to solve this question. How many value of B is possible? Just try to solve this once. Okay, Suraj is giving 4. Chaitanya is also giving 4. I don't know the answer. I need to solve it. But yes, we can solve it. And if this is correct, so you should get some confidence. Okay, I can do the CSET question also. Is not a difficult one. We can solve it. Okay, what should be the approach? B is a single digit. We cannot write as a B is equal to 12 or 14 or 15. It's a single digit. Add the number 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 13, 20, 24, 30. So this will become 30 plus B. And B is a single number. So what can be the value of B? B value, if B becomes 0, total sum become 30. Number will be divisible by 3. If B become 3, total become 33. Again number will be divisible. Again number will be divisible. Then B become 6. Then total become 36. Again divisible. B become 9, this become 39, again it will be divisible. Again it will be, how come 1, 4, 6, 7? Okay. I'm missing something. How come 1, 4 and 6, 7 you guys are getting? Devender? I think is 0369 is the correct answer. Is not 1467? This should be divisible by 3. So I think it will be 0369, not 1467. So total value will be 4. Apart from this, anything else? No, after 9, if it will become 12. So B is a single digit number. We cannot write B is equal to 12. So the correct one will be 0369. 4 value will be there. So we can simply solve this question. We can simply solve this question. Okay, sir? Is this making sense? Okay. Then question number 23 also. Try question number 23. Number 186 or 36. 136 is added to 5B7 and the sum obtained is 7A3, where A and B are integer. It is given that 7A3 is exactly divisible by 3. The only possible value of B is. The only possible value of B is. Try this question. The only possible value of B is. Actually, number system is complete common base, like a type of problems are coming. You should know the basic concept, then use your common sense, and you are able to solve the problem. You are able to solve the problem. What is the question? This 5B7, you are adding 136. Okay? Now, the result which we are getting is 7A3. Okay? Now, the question is 7A3 is exactly divisible by 3, and they are asking the only possible value of B. Only possible value of B. Try to solve, then I will tell the process. First try to solve. Use your common sense. The only possible value of B is 2, 5, 7 and 8. Give the answer. Don't use much of your brain. Simply apply put the option, because they are asking the only possible. That means only one value is possible. Put the option here, put the 2 here, and see what you are getting. If I put 2 here, 527 plus 136. So definitely 527 and 136 cannot become 700 something. That means first option is wrong. That means first option is wrong. put 5 here. So 157 plus 136, 557 plus 136, again it cannot be 700. That means option B is wrong. Try option number C. If I put option number C 7 here, this become 577 plus 136. This becomes 713, and 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 3 11. 11 is not divisible by 3. That means this cannot be the answer. The correct answer one is last one. The correct answer is last one. Without checking, you can see. If you want, you can check also. 587, 136, 723, this will be divisible by 3, so answer will be 8. Answer will be 8. Tell me, it was difficult? I don't think so. Only common sense based problem. Only common sense based problem. Fine. Chaitanya, I think you are making mistake somewhere. It's D8, not A. And see, this is the previous year problem. I have not made this. This is the previous year. You can check the level of UPSC. Only the problem is what? The problem is students are not using their common sense. Students are not like simply I can say not using their common sense, not using their brain, and that's why they are making the mistake. That's why they are making the mistake. Okay? Is this making sense? Fine. Okay. Now, let's come to the divisibility rule of 3 is done. Similar is the divisibility rule of 9. 9 divisibility rule is, if sum of digit is divisible by 9, the whole number will be divisible by 9. If sum of digit is divisible by 9, the whole number is divisible by 9. Same thing for 27 also. If sum of digit is divisible by 27, the number will be divisible by 27. So 3, 9, 27, it will be same. 4 we have done. Divisibility rule of 5, you know, if last digit is either 0 or 5, the number will be divisible by 5. If last digit is either 0 or 5, the number will be divisible by 5. What is the divisibility rule of 5? If last digit is divisible by 0 or 5, the number will be divisible by 5. Then divisibility rule of 6. Divisibility rule of 6 is, if a number is divisible by 3 and 4 both. If a number is divisible by 3 and 4 both, if a number is divisible by 3 and 4 both, if a number is divisible by 3 and 4 both, that means not 3 and 4, 3 and 2, sorry. If a number is divisible by 3 and 2 both, then number will be divisible by 6 also. That means both conditions should satisfy. Suppose 9 is there, 9 is divisible by 3, but 9 is not divisible by 2. 9 is not divisible by 2. So 9 will not be divisible by 6. But suppose 18 I am taking, 18 is divisible by 2 and 3 both, not 4, 3 and 2. 18 is divisible by both 3 and 2, then 18 will be divisible by 6 also. 18 will be divisible by 6 also. And we can make a pair, more pair like this. Like suppose 99 is there. So it should be prime number 11 and 9. If a number is divisible by 11 and 9, then number will be divisible by 99 also. So it should be in the pair format. It should be in the pair format. Okay. So 18 is divisible by 6. Why? Because the number is divisible by 3 and 2 both. Okay. Then divisibility rule of 7. Actually, we never teach divisibility rule of 7. The reason is, it's a difficult one. It's a difficult one. So it's better to simply divide by 7. It's better to simply divide by 7 instead of making 7 divisibility rule. Just divide by 7 that number and you will get to know whether that number is divisible or not. So 7 divisibility rule you will not find in the book. We will never teach. The reason is simple. Is a bit lengthy one, bit difficult one. So better divide by 7 itself. Okay. Then divisibility rule of 8 I told you. 9 we have done. 10 you know. 11. 11 is an important one. Divisibility rule of 11. So here what we will do, suppose number is given like this. We will take alternate number. We will take alternate number starting from the last. We will take the alternate position number, that means even position and odd position number. And suppose 9, what we will do? We will take the alternate position number minus 8 plus 5 plus 3. We will subtract both. We will subtract both. So 7, 4, 11, 20. Suppose this is coming as 4. So if, suppose after subtraction, either this will come as 0 and multiple of 11. Either after subtraction, the value should come as 0 or multiple of 11, then we will say the number is divisible by 11. Then we will say the number is divisible by 11. Always understand what we will do. We will take the alternate place number starting from the last, like 9, 7, 4. So 9 plus 7 plus 4, and other alternate number 8, 5 and 3, we will subtract both, and after subtraction I will get some number. Either whatever after subtraction I am getting, either I am getting 0 or a multiple of 11. So this whole, if it is coming as 0, 11, 22, 33, then I can say that the whole number is divisible by 11. If it is not coming like that, we will say the number is not divisible by 11. Number is not divisible by 11. I hope this is clear to everybody. I hope this is clear to everybody. If you have a problem, let me know here. If you have a problem, let me know here. Okay. Done? Fine. Now some more things are there. We will go for some questions. See, mostly the problems of the number system are common sense based. And there is a concept called a rule of rejection. A rule of rejection So I will tell you what is the meaning of rule of rejection. I will tell you what is the meaning of rule of rejection. Okay? So there are two things we will use. One is rule of rejection in the number system, and second, some more divisibility problems are there. We will take it up. Before that, let's solve one question, a difficult one. Okay, the number given are like this: 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 99 factorial, divide by 3, and we have to find out the remainder. Okay, instead of 3, let's make it 5. We are dividing by 5, find the remainder. We are dividing by 5, find the remainder. Try this problem, take your time of 2-3 minutes, try to solve it, and then we will take it up. This is a difficult one, and this is the most difficult question which they can ask in the examination. This is the most difficult question which they can ask in the examination. Then we will take some previous year problem. Then we will take some previous year problem. Number system, most of the problems are common sense based. Number system, most of the problems are common sense based. Try this question. Try to give the answer. What will be the remainder in this case? Okay, one answer is I am getting is 2. We are dividing by 5. Okay, I think this was the earliest answer, not right now they have given. Just try to give the answer of this question. It's not difficult, but yes, a bit of concept is involved here. Think about, okay, can we break this problem like this? 1 factorial upon 5, 2 factorial upon 5, 3 factorial upon 5, 4 factorial upon 5, okay, some more, 5 factorial upon 5, then 6 factorial upon 5, dot dot dot, so on, 99 factorial upon 5. This is the case or not? This is the case or not? And we will start finding out the remainder in each case. We will start finding out the remainder in each case. Okay, some more property of remainder you should know. Suppose a number is given like this, 25 into 27, and we are dividing by sorry, we are dividing by 4 and we have to find out the remainder. So one way is you will simply if I multiply, so 25 we are adding 27 times. If we add 25 into 25 times, it will become 625, and 2 more times 675. So one way is I will divide 675 by 4 or simply 75 by 4 and I will get remainder as 3. I will get remainder as 3. This is the one way of solving the problem. The other way is instead of dividing, multiplying and then dividing, you can simply divide 20 by 5 by 4, I will get 1 as remainder, and you will divide 27 by 4, I will get 3 as a remainder, and since both the number are multiplied, so remainder will also be multiplied. Remainder will also multiply, and this become what? This become remainder as 3. If remainder become more than 4, if remainder becomes, suppose the number was like this, suppose the number was like this, 23 into 27. So now what will happen? If I divide 23 by 4, I will get remainder as 3, and 27 by 4 remainder as 3, and if I multiply both the remainder, I will get 9. Now we know that 9 is more than 4, so again what you will do? Simply divide 9 by 4 again, and you will get 1 as a remainder. So if number is multiplied, remainder is also multiplied. If remainder will be more than by which value you are dividing, then again divide that number by remainder. Are you getting my point or not? Are you getting my point? So this is the another way how we can solve this thing. This is the another way how we can solve this thing. So you have to understand, whenever the number is multiplied, so remainder will also be multiplied. The second logic, okay, I think net is not working here. I'm not able to see your comment. Some problem, just a minute. Just a minute, I think some problem in the net here. Just a minute. These guys are working on that part. So the concept should be clear here. Whenever number is multiplied, either you can simply multiply both the number and then divide by 4. This is the one way to solve the problem. The other way is simply divide individually that number and multiply the remainder also. Okay? Multiply the remainder also. Yes, now response portal was not working. Now start working. So yes, you guys have given the answer. I was not able to see. Now I am able to see here. So I hope this part is clear to you guys. If number is multiplied, so either you will multiply both the number together and then divide, or you can simply divide the individual number and whatever remainder you are getting, simply then find out what will be the exact remainder. This is the another way. This is the another way to solve. Okay, almost all of you have given the correct answer for this. Let me explain what people make mistake here. Let me tell you, suppose anyway written 3 into 4 into 5 into 7 divide by 4. Now what student will think, the remainder will be 5 into 3, 15, into 7, this will not be the remainder. See, if you are able to, 1 4 is here, 1 4 is here, if this number is divisible, that means whole number is divisible by 4. See, how you can write? You can write like this or not? If this 4 is divisible by this 4, then I can say this whole number will be divisible by what? This whole number will be divisible by 4. So don't make mistake like this. Generally student think, okay, you can do like this way also. 3 divided by 4, remainder is 3. 4 divided by 4, remainder is 0. And whenever remainder is 0, you will multiply all the remainder. You will get that as a 0 itself. You will get remainder as a 0 itself. So you have to understand very clearly. You have to understand very clearly, if number are given in multiplication, if one of the number is divisible, the whole number will be divisible by the by which we are dividing. Same logic here. If we divide 1 by 5, I will get 1 as remainder. 2 by 5, I will get 2 as a remainder. 3 factorial means 6. 6 by 5, I will get 1 as a remainder. Plus 24 by 5, I will get 4 as a remainder. Plus, now, from factorial 5 is what? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 5. So if you see, 5 and 5 are divisible, that means this whole number is divisible, and you also know that 5 factorial is 120, 120 by 5, number is divisible. So after 5 factorial, every number will be divisible by 5 or not. Why? Because at least one 5 will be there after factorial 5. At least one 5 will be there after factorial 5. So you should know that after this value, every number will be divisible. Only these numbers are left. Now you can add 4, 5, 7, 8. Now 8 is more than 5. I will again divide. So I will get 3 as a remainder of this question. 3 as a remainder of this question. I hope this is making sense. I hope this is making sense. Is this clear or not? Is this clear or not? Okay. Now, almost topic is over. Let's take a break of 10 minutes. We will come back. We will try to solve some of the problems, and then we will move to the next topic. Whatever will be there, we will move to that part. Okay? So let's take a break of 10 minutes. We will come back and we will try to solve some previous year problems of number system. Okay? Fine. So let's solve some more problem. On one question is like this: 10 to power 1, 10 square, just a minute. Find the remainder. Find remainder. Just try this problem. Find the remainder of this . Solve this question. 10 to power 1 plus 10 square plus 10 cube plus 10 to power 4 dot so on 10 to power 999 divided by 6. Always in such case, whenever it's look very difficult, because one thing is we are very sure we are not going to divide everything. Some pattern will be there. Definitely some pattern will be there, and with the help of that pattern we are going to able to solve this problem. One thing is damn clear here, because definitely we are not going to see every number and try to find out the remainder. So in such question, whenever such problem will come, your aim always should be what is the best pattern here. We have to think regarding that particular pattern here. We have to think regarding that particular pattern here. Now see that 10 to power 1 by 6 remainder is 4. If I take 10 square is what? 10 into 10. We are dividing by 6. Here remainder will be 4. Here remainder will be 4. 16 if I divide by 6, again remainder will be 4. That means in second case also remainder will be 4. See the third case, 10 cube. So 10 cube is what? 10 into 10 into 10 divide by 6. So 4 into 4 into 4, this will become 64 divided by 6. That means remainder will be 4. That means in 3 number if we are getting, so generally we will check for 3 number. So 3 number we are getting as remainder 4. So that means for all number we will get remainder as 4. And how many times they are? 999 times. Divide by 6. 999 times divide by 6. So that means we are adding 4 into 999 times. How much I will get? I will get 4 into 999 divide by 6. Why into? Because I told you what is the meaning of 4 into 999? We are adding 4 into 999 times, or we are adding 999 into 4 times. Both meaning are there. Here what we are doing? We are adding 4 into 999 times. We are adding 4 into 999 times, and we are dividing by 6. We are dividing by 6. So now we can solve this thing. Okay, this will be 4. So if I take 4000, it will become 4000 minus 4. So 3996. 3996 divided by 6. So if I take 3996, if I am dividing by 6, I will get 39, then again 6, 39. It will be divisible, completely divisible. It will be completely divisible. So remainder will be 0. Remainder will be 0. Yes, 2 student has given the correct answer. The remainder will be 0. So always understand, in such problem what we will do, we will always try to find out the logic. Because see, one thing in such problem, whenever I saw such problem, one thing I am damn sure, we are not going to divide each number and then see the remainder, because it will take lot of time. So there should be some logic, there should be some pattern. So if we are able to find out the pattern, we can solve the problem. Are you getting my point or not? If we are able to find out the pattern, what you are doing, Chaitanya, we can also do by divisibility check of 2 and 3, 999 into 1 and all zeros. Not getting your logic, might be you are correct. I'm not saying it's better. Okay, fine. You can go for that. No issue with that. But understand, this is in the power 10 to power 999. This is not like 1, 2, 3, 4 into 999. By this way, we are able to find out every time 4 is coming. That's why this question, after reducing this question, this become this. We cannot take this as a 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 999. This is different thing. So I'm not getting your logic. Might be you are correct. I'm not saying you are wrong itself. But yes, please verify this thing. What we are doing, this is 10 to power 1, 10 to power 2, 10 to power 3, not 1, 2, 3, 999. This is 10 to power. And we have reduced this into this format. Okay? Now, some question from previous year. Number system means common sense. Always remember. Number system means common sense. Question number 18. Question number 18. Yes, your logic is correct somehow. For divisibility rule of 3, yes, fine. Yes, we can apply that concept. Yes, Chaitanya, I got your point. Yes, every time we are getting 1, 990 times, fine, great. Another way of solving this thing, great. We can go by that way. Question number 18. Try question number 18. In a school, every student is assigned a unique identification number. A student is a football player if and only if the identification number is divisible by 4. That means 4, 6, 8, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 are the football player. Whereas a student is a cricketer if and only if the identification number is divisible by 6. Great. If every number from 1 to 100 is assigned to a student, then how many of them play cricket as well as football? Okay, a simple question. 1 to 100 number are there. So every fourth number player will be a footballer. And every sixth number player is a cricketer. Every sixth number player is a cricketer. Okay? Now, what we will do? They are saying both. So we will take the LCM. We will take the LCM or not? We will simply take the LCM. LCM of 6 and 4 is 12. That means 12th player will be what? 12th player will be, because 12 is divisible by 4, 12 is divisible by 6. So this player will be a footballer as well as cricketer. As well as cricketer. So how many will play both out of 1 to 100? Simply 8 player, because 12 8s are 96. Okay? 12 9s are 108. It will be more than 100. So till 8, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 and 96. These 8 player will be there, which will play both. Is this difficult one? Very easy one. The problem is, we will not use common sense. We will not use common sense. This is 2019 problem, not very 11, 12, 19, recent years. A common sense based problem. Now, some more question. Question number 20. You will see question number 20 on screen. Question is, if x is greater than or equal to 25, x is greater than or equal to 25, y is less than or equal to 40, then which one of the following is always correct? Try this question. Always correct. Underline this sentence. Which one of the following is always correct? Just try this question. Okay, Devender Purnima has given some answer. Okay, always understand in number system, always use a rule of rejection. I have told you in some other class also, what is the rule of rejection? Instead of finding out which option is correct, find out which option is wrong. Instead of finding out which option is correct, your emphasis should be which option is wrong. And when you are able to find out which option is wrong, whichever option you are not able to make wrong, that will be 100% a correct answer. Understand, rule of rejection. Don't try to find out the correct answer. Try to find out the wrong answer. Try to make every option wrong. Okay? Like first option, x will be greater than y. Now what is the problem here? If you try to make this option correct, this can be possible. Because y is less than 40, less than equal to 40, I can make y is equal to 20 and x is equal to 27. And now x is more than y. But I told you, don't try to make them correct, make them wrong. There is any possibility where I can say this is not correct? Yes, there are many possibilities. X become 25, y become 40. Now in this case x is not equal to y. That means this is not always true. This is not always true. I have made this, in certain case I have made them wrong. That means always try to put the option rule of rejection. So first option cannot be the correct one. Try second option, y minus x is greater than 15. So I will try to make this option wrong. So I can take y any value less than 40. I have taken y 10. I will take x value is equal to suppose 30. Now what will happen? Y minus x. That means 10 minus 30. I will get minus 20 and they are given this will be greater than 15. Now this is 100% less than 15. This will also be a wrong option. This will also be a wrong option. Try to make every option wrong. Instead of making them correct, make them wrong. Because they are asking always. So we are able to make them wrong. That means this is not correct also. Third option. Instead of third option, I will go fourth option. X plus y is always greater than equal to 65. No. I can take y value 10, x value 25, and total x plus y become 35. This will also be a wrong one. This will also fourth option is also a wrong one. 100% third option will be correct. Now try to make third option wrong. You will not take any value you will take, you will not able to make third option wrong. Any value you can take, you cannot able to make third option wrong. Are you getting my point or not? Are you getting my point or not? So here always use a rule of rejection instead of which one is correct. Instead of which one is correct. Question number 21. Try this question. Question number 21. A printer number the page of a book starting with 1 and uses 3089 digit in all. How many pages does the book have? So same logic which we have earliest. Now here they have given more pages. So we know that 1 to 9, 9 digit. I'm giving hint. Then 10 to 99, total 2 digit. Then 100 to 999, total 3 digit. And then 1000 and more 4 digit. Now you will try to find out the answer. Try to find out the answer by this way. You have to keep this in mind. Again, this won't require any concept. This only required common sense. Number system is common sense. Try to find out the answer. Try to find out the answer, give the answer. Okay. So total digits are 3089. So if I solve 1 to 9, 9 digit will be there. 10 to 99, every number has 2 digits. So total digit become how many? See, 10 to 99, total 90 number are there. Don't get confused. Always subtract 9 out of 99. Total 90 will be there. So in 90, total digit will be 180. In 100 to 999, total 900 numbers are there, and one number has 3 digits, so 900 number has 2700 digit. 900 number has 2700 digit. So let them add all the things, and then we will try to find out how much is left. Okay, so if I add 270 plus 180 and 9, this become 2889. Now we know that after 1000, every number has 4 digits. So let me check how many digits are left. Total is 3089. We have used 2889. What is left? 0, 0, 10, 2, 0. Total 200 digits are left. 200 digits are left. So by 200 digits, now 4 digits equal to one number, because after 999 we required 4 digits to make one number. So 200 digits, by 200 digits we can make 50 number. We can make 50 number. So what we can say? 999 plus 50, the answer will be 1049. The answer will be 1049. It was difficult or easy? It was not difficult. Understand, two things are there. One is number of digit, other one is that number. 1000 has 4 digit, 100 has 3 digit. ठीक है? Any doubt here? Let me know. Any doubt here? Let me know. Clear? Great. Okay. Now in the same way, question number 17. See, this is all CSAT 2019 problem. The number of times the digit 5 appear while writing the integer from 1 to 1000. They are not giving any specific place. Sometimes they will give how many times the 5 will appear at unit place. Any place they are asking. The number of times the digit 5 appears while writing the integer from 1 to 1000. Now again we have to use the same logic. See, we can make the pattern from 1 to 100, and that pattern will be same for 2 to 300, 200 to 300, 300 to 400, 400 to 500, then 500 to 600, the pattern will be different. The pattern will be different. So we can make it 99, then okay, 1 to 99, then 99 to 199, 100 to 199, then 200 to 299, 300 to 399, 400 to 499, but it will not be same between 500 to 599. Why? Because 5 is coming at unit place also. 5 is coming at unit place also. Okay? So 500 to 599, here the case will be different, and all other places the cases will be same. So you can find out for 1, and then you can simply multiply by 8 to 9 how many times they are there, and you can add extra here. You will get your answer. You will get your answer. I'm not going to solve this question. You can solve. If still you will face problem, I will take it up tomorrow. I will take it up tomorrow. Okay? Okay. Try question number 12. Try question number 12. Try question number 12. X and Y are natural number other than 1, and Y is greater than X. Which of the following represent the largest number? Whenever in number system they are asking for X and Y, always think that take a number, try to put that number and try to find out the answer. Try to find out the answer. Because X and Y, they are giving the natural number. Natural number are what? Natural number is starting from 1 to all the positive integer is starting from 1. Whole number is what? Whole number is positive number is starting from 0. Positive number is starting from 0. So if number is starting from 0, it become whole number. If number is starting from 1, it's become natural number. Suppose sometime they will say positive number. Okay? Positive number. Or instead of positive, okay, suppose they say prime number. First prime number. So prime number, you know, any number which has 2 factor. Any number which has 2 factors. So the smallest prime number is 2. Please note this thing. People make mistake here. smallest prime number is 2. The smallest prime number is 2, not 1. Smallest prime number is not 1. Smallest prime number is 2. Why? Because 1 has only one factor. 2 has two factors. So any number which has two factor is only two factor, which has only two factor is called as prime number. Any number which has only two factor is called as prime number. So smallest prime number is 2. These some part you should know. Then even number, you know even number, divisible by 2, odd number, not divisible by 2. Even number is what? Divisible by 2. Odd number is what? Not divisible by 2. So these are the basic things which you should know. Now how we can solve this question? X and Y are natural number other than 1. So we can take any value. Suppose I am taking 3 and 4. And which of the following represent the largest number? So xy represent 12. X upon y, definitely it will be in the point. So option B cannot be correct. Y upon x. So 4 upon 3, 1 point something again cannot be correct. B and C are wrong. Let me check about D. D will be x plus y. So 7 upon 12 again in the point. So again by rule of rejection I can say, if one simply 3 plus 4, if I have taken 3 and 4, you can take any number because they are saying natural number. So natural number means this will be universally true. For any number, this will be universally true. You can take any number, universally this will be true. So option will be A. A will be the correct answer. A will be the correct answer. Are you getting my point or not? Okay. Now, try question number 10th. Try question number 10th. Dot 1 dot 2 dot 3 plus dot 1 barabar equal to 2 1 dot, and we have to find out the value of dot. We have to find out the value of dot. Try this part. Okay, D. Yes, you can do it. You can do it. I am not going to solve this. You can simply put the option, use your common sense, and then find out the answer. I'm saying how I will check the option. Suppose if I take option number first, so I will, if I take option number first, this whole thing become like this. Okay? So I will not add all the value. I will only check whether the last digit is coming as 4 or not. So 4 plus 4, 8, plus 12, 12a plus 1, 13, 13 plus 3, 16. If I add, in the last digit will 100% will come as 6. That means 5 cannot be the option. 5 cannot be the option. So this way you can check this. This way you can check this. Try question number 11. Try question number 11. I hope we know this part. X square minus y square I don't think is required, but if you want, this will be x plus y and x minus y. At least we should know this part. A square minus b square, generally the formula is there, a plus b and a minus b. So you can solve this thing. X is a between -3 to -1. I hope you know the number line. 0, -1, -2, -3. This will go on negative increasing, and if you move this side, this will be positive increment. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now you have to find out this value, like this will lie between which to which value. Try to give the answer. See, one thing is damn sure, x square minus y square. The x is between -3 and -1, and y is between -1 to 1. Okay? Now see that, if, can I get a negative value of this? The first thing is, can I get a negative value of this? Okay, so tell me, if I put this value as, 3, if I put this value as 3, -3, sorry, so -3 square, minus square will always be positive. So this become 9. This become 9. Or not? Okay. Tell me, answer will be C or D? What you guys are making mistake? -1 to 1. See, this is 0, this is -1, this is 1. That means in between this. So can I take y value is equal to 0 or not? Can I take y value is equal to 0 or not? This expression, the maximum value, see, whenever, understand this concept, whenever a minus sign will be there, whenever you are subtracting this any value, so this whole expression, understand, x square minus y square, this whole expression will be maximum when minus value whatever is there is minimum. Whenever this value will be minimum, the whole expression value will be maximum. For example, if I have 100 rupees, if I have to give some rupees to someone, so if I give maximum rupees to that person, I will have minimum rupees. So this expression, okay, I have given the another way. If suppose I have to give some rupees, if I give minimum rupees to them, I will have maximum rupees. So if I have to make this expression value maximum, so whatever will be there in the minus, that value always should be minimum. You have to know this thing. So when you know this thing, what is the minimum value y can assume? Or y square can assume. Instead of y, I can say y square will assume. Because it's not x square minus y, it's y square. So what is the minimum value y square can assume? So y square can assume a value of 0. Why 0? Because if I put -1 y value, what will happen? If y is equal to -1, y square become 1. But if I take y is equal to 0, y square become minimum. So minimum value of y is 0. So this will lie between 0 to 9 rather than 0 to 8. Now you will understand why UPSC has given this question. Why UPSC has given this question, I hope you understand now. The reason is simple, and the reason is what? The reason is because you make mistake. You make 0 to 8 as an answer, but the correct answer is 0 to 9. I hope you are clear. Whenever we have to make any expression maximum, always understand whatever is given in a minus sign, make that value minimum. Here in the minus y square is there, so whenever y square is minimum, the whole expression value will be maximum. So maximum value will be when x will be minus 3 and y will be 0. Y will be 0. Any doubt you can ask? Any doubt you can ask? Okay. Now let's move to the next part. If it is given as a to power n minus b to power n, and n is even number, then this will always be divisible by a plus b and a minus b. Whenever a to power n minus b to power n is given, n is an even number, then this will always be divisible by a to power a plus b and a minus b. Second one, a to power n minus b to power n is equal to odd number, then this will be divisible by a minus b. This will be divisible by a minus b. Please note these two things. Note these two parts. Third one is a to power n plus b to power n is equal to odd, then this will always be divisible by a plus b. I will give you the example, don't worry. Just note this thing. Just note this part. A to power n minus b to power n. If n is even, then this will always be divisible by a plus b, a minus b. If a to power n minus b to power n is equal to odd, this will divisible by a minus b. A to power n plus b to power n is equal to odd, then this will divisible by a plus b. Okay. Now how they can ask the question? Let me tell you. They will give question like this. Wait. Just a minute. Let me frame the question. Okay. This is divisible by, this number is divisible by, first option is 7, second option is 3, third option is 5, fourth option is all of the above. Try this question. 23 to power 10 minus 1024. They are asking this number is divisible by give me the answer of this question. (23 to power 10 minus 1024). This number is divisible by, okay, if you see this thing, what is 1024? You should know this part. 1024 is nothing but 2 to power 10. Nothing but 2 to power 10. So the whole question can be reduced to 23 to power 10 minus 2 to power 10. 23 to power 10 minus 2 to power 10. Now you can think of this way, a to power n minus b to power n. And n is given as even number. N is given as even number. So always this will be divisible by, this will be divisible by a plus b and a minus b. That means this number will be divisible by 25 and 21 or not? Why 25 and 21? A plus b 25, a minus b 21. So if the whole number is divisible by 25, that means the number will be divisible by 5 also. If any number, the whole expression is divisible by 25, the number will be divisible by 5 also. Second part, if number is divisible by 21, that means number will be divisible by 3 also, or not? So this can also be the case. And now you can mark if two options are correct. Definitely the answer will be all of the above. Or you can think if number is divisible by 21, number will definitely be divisible by the 7 also. Number will be divisible by 7 also. So the correct answer will be all. The correct answer will be all. The correct answer will be all. What we have done? A to power n minus b to power n. N is given as even. In such case, if n is even, this will be divisible by a plus b and a minus b. A plus b, we have seen that it will become 25. A minus b will become 21. So if number is divisible by 25, the number will be divisible by 5 also. If number is divisible by 21, the number will be divisible by 3 and 7. Because 21 divisibility rule can be like this, 7 and 3, and both are prime. So we can say that if number is divisible by both 7 and 3, the number will also be divisible by 21. I hope this is making sense. Okay. Note another question. Question is like this: 27 to power 23, 23 to power 23, plus 19 to power 23, find remainder. Find remainder. Try this question. Find this question answer. Find the remainder. Okay, again think. Simply we can say this will be divisible, no issue. Now what is left? 27 to power 23 plus 19 to power 23 upon 23. Now this is a to power n plus b to power n, and a to power n and b to power n, and n is equal to what? N is equal to odd here. A to power n plus b to power n, n is equal to odd, and when n is equal to odd, this will be divisible by a plus b. So we can say that this whole expression will be divisible by 27 plus 19, that means 46. So if number is, this number will be, whole thing will be divisible by 46. So if number is divisible by 46, definitely that will be divisible by 23 also. That will be definitely will divisible by 23 also. That means this whole expression is divisible by 23. Remainder will be 0. Remainder will be 0. Yes. The correct answer is remainder will be 0. Okay. What we have done? We have simply used the previous concept which I told you, and with the help of that we can find out the answers. We can find out the answers. Okay, one more concept in the number system. Whenever they will ask for two-digit number, whenever they will ask for two-digit number, never take in the form of AB. This will be the wrong concept. Never take in the form of AB. Always two-digit number will be 10A plus B. Because this is, suppose 32 is there. How we can write 32? 10 into 3 plus 2. This is at unit place. This is at 10th place. So always write number in the form of 10A plus B. If three-digit number is there, suppose number is XYZ, so always we will take as 100X plus 10Y plus Z. And this is how we are getting, this is not random, this is unit place, we are multiplying by 1. This is 10th place multiplying by 10. This is 100th place, we are multiplying by 100. So always take numbers like this in the examination. Suppose the question is a two-digit number are there, we are reversing the digit. So suppose initially we have taken AB, if we will reverse the digit, it will become BA, that means 10B plus A, 10B plus A. And if I subtract, what will happen? This will become 9A minus 9B. 9A minus 9B. Okay? So always understand this concept. There is a question in your sheet, question number 8. Question number 8. Just show the question. Try this question. There are certain two-digit number. The difference between the number and one obtained reversing it is always 27. How many such maximum two-digit number are there? So suppose number was AB, be reversed, it will become BA. We will take the this is equal to 27. So this become 10A minus A plus B minus 10B is equal to 27. So 9A minus 9B is equal to 27. This result you should know this part. When you reverse two digits, they always become 9A minus 9B format to make it more simple. So this I can say 9a minus b is equal to 27. Okay. Now you have to think regarding a and b values. Now you have to think regarding a and b values. So that simply we can say a minus b should become as 3. A minus b should become as 3. And now you can think about that. You can find out the answer and you can give the answer accordingly. For example, we can start like this. We can take a is equal to 9, b is equal to 3, b is equal to 6, b is equal to 6. So the number become what? The number become 96. And if you reverse, this becomes 69. If you take the difference become 27. So one number can be 96. What else you can do? Simply a minus b should be equal to 3. A minus b should be equal to 3. What other possibilities are there? 8 and 5. Or not? So you can take value of a is equal to 8, value of b is equal to 5. So what happened? This become 85 and 58, again 27, two values, try three values, 7 and 4, then 6 and 3, 5, 2, 4, 1. Definitely we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, more than 5 values. Correct answer will be definitely be D. None of the above. None of the above. So this thing also you should know. This thing also you should know. Okay. So I think that's it from my side in the number system part. As per my knowledge, okay, one more thing, just note it down, last thing. If any number are given like this, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6 or 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. That means single number 6 times. So these number will always be divisible by 7, 11, 13 and 37. One more rule you have to know. If any number is given in 6 times, these number will always be divisible by 7, 11, 13 and 37. Always this will be true. Okay. So from my side, I am done with the number system. I am done with the arithmetic part. And I will assure you, out of 100% of the topic of arithmetic, I have taken more than 90% of the topics and in detailed format. I cannot say 100% because here and there something will be left. But one thing I am damn sure, if you use common sense, so whichever topic, even if I have not taken also, you will able to solve. You will able to solve by your common sense. Whatever is left is only 2 or 3 topic: permutation, combination, probability, one set, and the other set is like a geometry and mensuration. Okay? If you ask me, these topic will be only 5% of total syllabus. 95% of the syllabus is over. 95% of the syllabus is over. Only 5% of the syllabus will be left. So understand, see, geometry, mensuration and probability, permutation, combination, actually they require lot of time to practice. They are not a difficult one, they are easy one, but yes, they require lot of time to understand. Whatever time you will give to this arithmetic part, the same amount of time required to complete the rest of the part. So now it's your choice what you want. You want to cover, suppose you are giving some 50 hour, so by giving 50 hour you want to cover 5% of syllabus or you want to cover 95% of syllabus. I will say go with the arithmetic part, first thing. Second thing, I'm not also asking leave this completely. I'm saying just listen the class, revise the note before the class, before the examination, and if you are able to solve, well and good. If you are not able to solve, then there will be some problem. Then there will be some problem. So always understand, you can just go with a classroom and not more than that in the other part of the higher maths or like a geometry, mensuration and permutation combination. The reason being is very simple, because they require lot of time. So arithmetic we have done thoroughly, we have covered everything almost. Okay? So this is more than sufficient for you guys, I think, for the arithmetic part. One thing is left that will not be in the arithmetic. I will cover probably tomorrow, day after tomorrow, the DI, data interpretation. So I will cover data interpretation. Actually, already I have covered data interpretation. I have to only tell you how to solve the question. We will do it together, don't worry. It's not a very difficult one, data interpretation. We will probably take tomorrow, day after tomorrow. So in next 2 classes, we will try to finish the rest of the part. Arithmetic part is over. Now in the last, I will tell you one concept of higher maths. The concept is and, or. What is the meaning of and or, and how we can apply this part? Let me tell you. Okay. Suppose a person has 3 pants and 4 shirts. The concept of and or I am taking 3 pants and 4 shirts. Now, allegation. चलो बता दूंगा, जरूरत नहीं है. I will take it up. Allegation part is not required, but if you want, I can take it up. Actually, see, to solve arithmetic, 3 approaches are there. Either you will solve with percentage, you will solve with ratio, or you will solve with allegation. Allegation is the most difficult like a way to solve a problem. So I have not taken that, I have taken percentage and ratio. But if you want, I will take it up. It's hardly take 5-10 minutes. Don't worry. I will take it up. So just remind me before finishing the class. I will take up the allegation part. No issue with that. Okay? Right now, just understand the concept of and or. So this concept is important. I am starting permutation, combination and probability. I am starting permutation, combination and probability now. So tomorrow agenda will be first 2 hour, 3 hour. This 3 topic, then tomorrow itself I will start the geometry or mensuration. I will start tomorrow. Okay? So don't worry. I will try to cover everything. First thing is, we are going to, I'm going to start with the permutation and combination. I'm taking a basic concept of and or. Suppose a person has 3 pants and 4 shirts. Now the question is, in how many ways person can wear 1 pants and 1 shirts? 1 pant and 1 shirt. In how many way person can wear 1 pant and 1 shirts? Suppose the question is simple. You have to, they will ask like this. A student has CSAT paper. he want to go to the exam. Now he has 3 pant and 4 shirts. In how many way he can wear that like a pant and shirt and go for the examination. So that means here understand the question is and. And means both the things. That means he has to wear 1 pant as well as 1 shirt also. Okay. So now suppose pants are P1, P2 and P3 and shirts are S1, S2, S3 and S4. So tell me for pant P1, how many possibilities are there? Suppose he is wearing pant P1, now he can wear shirt S1, he can wear shirt S2, he can wear shirt S3, he can wear shirt S4. That means with 1 pant, he has 4 choice or not? 1 pant, he has 4 choice or not? Similarly, for pant number 2, again he has 4 choice. Similarly, for pant number 3, again he has 4 choice. So for every pant, he has 4 choice or not? So we can say that for total 3 pant, he has total number of 12 choices or 12 possible way are there to go for the interview or for CSAT examination. I am repeating, whenever and word is there, that means both the things, pant as well as shirts also. So you can understand for 1 pant, 4 options are there. Similarly for pant 2 again 4 options, pant 3 again 4 options. That means total 12 options are there for that person. Either he will wear P1 and shirt S1, P1 shirt S2, P1 shirt S3, P4 shirt S4. So for everyone they have 4 options. They have 4 options. Similarly for P2 also 4 options, P3 also 4 options. So total 12 possible ways there to go to the examination or to go for interview anywhere. Okay? In such case, so you can see that whenever and word is there, always we will multiply. Always we will multiply. Suppose they will ask 30 pant and 40 shirt, the answer will be 120. Suppose they will ask 21 pant and 2 shirt, the answer will be 42. Why? 21 into 2. So whenever the and word is coming in the question, we will multiply. We will multiply. Okay? We will multiply. But suppose the question is, in how many way the person can wear either 1 pant or 1 shirt. That means now both option is not there, either. That means when he is wearing this pant, he is not wearing out of this 4 shirt any of the shirt. That means either one option, either pant or shirt. So 3 pant, if he is wearing P1, he cannot wear other pant or other shirt. If he is wearing S2 shirt, he cannot wear other pant or other shirt. Either one of them. So in that case, we know that he can wear 3 pant or he can wear 4 shirt in different way. So total option are 7. So always know that whenever or word will be there will always be a positive sign. There will always be a positive sign. So here answer will be 7. Whenever or will be there, the answer will be 7. The answer will be 7. And in case of and, multiplication. In case of or, positive sign. Let me give you more example. Let me give you more example. A classical example. See, suppose city A is there, city B, city D, C, D, E, F. Okay. Now going from A to B, we have one way. B to D, we have 3 way. D to C, we have 4 way. A to C, we have 2 way. C to E, we have 2 way. E to F, we have 2 way. The first question is, in how many ways person can go from city A to city F? First is via B, second is via C. Second question is total possible ways to go from A to F. Total possible way to go from A to F. Just try this question, then I will take it up. Just try this question once, then I will take it up. In how many way person can go from city A to city F? The first is via B, second one is via C. Third one is total possible way to go from city A to city F. Okay, now the first one, via B. So via B means what? We have to go A to B. Now there will be AND or not? Why AND? Because A to B, we cannot say or B to D. There is a AND because this, then this, then this, everything will be included. To A to B and B to C and B to D and D to F. So now A to B there is a one way, and means multiplication, B to D there is 3 way, then D to F there is a 4 way. So answer will be 12. Answer will be 12. Via B, the answer will be 12. Via B, how come Devender you are getting 13? Answer will be 12. Second, via C. So A to C, C to E, E to F. So 2 into 2 into 2, answer will be 8. Now anyway, that means any of the route. So that means we have a two possibility. Either we are going A to F via B, or see here. Now in between what will happen? In between or sentence will come. A to F via B or A to F via C. A to F via C. Are you getting my point or not? So this will be 12. This will be 8. Total will be 20. Total will be 20. Any doubt here? Let me know. This question can be asked in the examination. A simple one also. No, don't think this will based on logic. We are not adding. If you add, this will become 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. But you are making them correct as a 8. So don't do like this. Just use your logic. A to B one way, and B to D 3 ways, and D to F again you have a 3 ways. Again you have a 4 ways. So total number of ways become how many? 12. Okay. Similarly, via C we can find out 2, 2, 2, total become 8, and now this total possible way to go from A to F. So now we have a 2 possibility. Now we cannot say A to F via B and, because now OR word will come in between. Why OR word? Because either we are going by this way or we are going by this way. We cannot go by both ways simultaneously. And is used when both are coming in a single thing. This is not and here. This is OR will come. And why OR will come? The OR will come because simply the logic is what? The logic is because either we are going via B or we are going via C. We cannot go via both. We cannot together. Okay? So 1, 1 we can use, and then answer will be 20. I hope this is clear to everybody. This one question they can ask in the examination. Now people will say they are permutation combination question. I will say this is common sense question. So this common sense question can be there in the examination. This common sense question can be there in the examination. Okay. So I'm stopping here. That's it for today. Tomorrow we will meet. We will try to finish the permutation. We will 100% finish permutation combination. We will start the geometry, and some part of geometry we will cover today, and day after tomorrow geometry mensuration will be finished, and whatever is left is finished, and we will done. Okay? Thanks for today class. We will meet together again on tomorrow. I think the class timing is 9 o'clock. We will meet and we will finish that. Thanks for today. Thank you.